This is an educational video of class 10 Patanjali Rishikul, subject mathematics. Welcome to this new session. Today we shall discuss a topic, coordinate geometry. First, we should know what is coordinate geometry and why is it important. Coordinate geometry is a separate branch of mathematics that helps to locate a point on a real number line. It also helps to find the position of a point on a number line. You must be thinking, where do we apply this in our daily life? Coordinate geometry has its broad use. Let's see some example. Here is an image. So any image or text are arranged using coordinate geometry in a PDF file or a Word document. Moreover, it helps to describe the position of an object. Coordinate geometry helps to locate the airplane and is also used to control air traffic or the speed of an aeroplane. For the real world location, that is latitude, longitude, here also the coordinate geometry is used. So this is known as geographical coordinate system. Moreover, you must be aware of this. This is a GPS system or a navigation system. So we use Google Maps in our life. There, the coordinate geometry is applied to find the location of some point. Like for example, if you have to reach my home, I have to give you my street number, lane number, house number, and so on. With this, you can reach my home. So this is all depends on coordinate geometry. So what is coordinate geometry? A system of geometry where the position of points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. Basically, coordinate geometry is the link between algebra and geometry. And this was proposed by a French mathematician, René Descartes. In honor of his work, the coordinate of a point are also referred to as Cartesian coordinates and the coordinate planes as the Cartesian coordinate planes. Let's hear some basic points. You must have learned all this in your previous class as well. To locate the position of a point on a plane, we require a pair of coordinate axes. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from the x-axis is called y-coordinate or ordinate. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x, 0 and of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0, y. Let's take a recap of a coordinate plane. Here we have a horizontal and a vertical line intersecting each other at point O. So that point O is the center of this Cartesian plane, which is called as origin. Now, this horizontal line is your x-axis, where the positive x-axis, which is on the right side, is referred as x, and the negative direction that is on the left side is as x dash. Now, the vertical line is your y-axis, where the positive direction referred as y, and the negative one as y dash. So basically, this coordinate plane is divided into 4 different parts. That is called as quadrant. So we refer x-axis as x dash ox and y-axis as y dash oy. Now, as I already told that the coordinate geometry or the Cartesian plane is divided into 4 different quadrants. It goes anti-clockwise, coordinate 1, where the x and the y coordinates are positive. Quadrant 2, where your x coordinate is negative and the y coordinate is positive. In quadrant 3, your x and y, both the coordinates are negative. And the last one, that is quadrant 4, your x-axis is positive and y-axis goes negative. So this x-axis is your abscissa and y as ordinate. Suppose I have to locate a point -3, -2. So this -3 will be your x coordinate, that is abscissa, and your -2 will be your y coordinate, that is ordinate. Suppose I give you a question, can you find the point 1, 0 and tell that it lies in which quadrant? 1, 0. It cannot be lie in any quadrant because the y coordinate is 0. When the y coordinate is 0, then the point which lie on the axis is not quadrant but the x-axis. Similarly, if x coordinate is 0, the point will lie on y-axis. So in this way, we can locate any point on a Cartesian plane. Now, what we have to study, the coordinate geometry for class 10 is divided into 3 different parts. In your class 9, you only have studied about the basic concepts. Here, we have been given certain formulas. First is your distance formula. Now, when the 2 points are given, then with the help of the point, we can find the distance between them. There, we will use distance formula. Second one is your section formula. Here also, when 2 points are given and their coordinates are also mentioned, but we have to find the third point, which lies anywhere on the line itself, divided by a line segment in certain ratio. So there, a section formula is used. Now the last one is your area of triangle, where the 3 points are given and along with their points, a triangle is formed. So we will see how to find the area of a triangle using a formula, but this area of triangle is not from the exam point of view. Okay, so this is all about the coordinate geometry. I hope you all have understood this topic very well. Thank you and have a nice day.